Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Shashi Prabha Pereira and today we have an exciting lesson for you as we step into the new year. We'll be diving into the world of question tags, a fantastic way to add a spark to your conversations. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. What are question tags? Question tags are short questions added to the end of a statement to turn it into a question. They are a great way to confirm information or seek agreement. Let's explore how to form them. To form a question tag, you generally use the auxiliary verb from the main statement and then add the pronoun. If the main statement is positive, the question tag is negative. If the main statement is negative, the question tag is positive. For an example, you are excited about the new year, aren't you? Positive statement, negative question tag. Now let's talk about identifying the tense of the sentence. The tense of the main statement determines the tense of the question tag. If the main statement is in the present tense, question tag is also in the present tense. For an example, she goes to school, doesn't she? If the main statement is in the past, the question tag is also in the past. She didn't come for the Christmas party, did she? Here are a few examples to illustrate what we've just discussed. If I say we are going to celebrate the new year, aren't we? Positive statement, negative question tag. And if I say you didn't miss the countdown, did you? Negative statement, positive question tag. Here are auxiliaries we use in each tense. Apart from these auxiliaries, you can use can, could, must, ought, should be in question tags. Now let's practice a bit. I'll give you a statement and you can try to come up with the appropriate question tag. Ready? Here we go. You make some New Year resolutions. Feel free to type your answers in the comments below. I'll be checking them out and we can compare our responses. It's a great way to reinforce what we've learned. That's a wrap for today's lesson on question tags. I hope you found it helpful as we kick off the new year with some language skills. If you have any questions or want more lessons like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming lessons. Wishing you a fantastic and linguistically enriched new year. Bye for now.